In this video, I'm going to show how to create a data cabinet assignment. Data cabinet assignment is the same as a data cabinet project. So you will first have to create a project. So let's add a project. It takes a while to create a project, so we will get started with a pre-made project. So and our documentation is here, and we will first enable NBGrader and configure NBGrader. Then then create an assignment, then release an assignment in this video. So first we log in and we enable NBGrader. To do so, we're going to start a terminal and we are going to paste some static commands. Easy. Then we are going to create a configuration for NBGrader. Then we are going to, this step is not required because this directory has already been created. Also, we will so we're going to configure NBGrader now. So with the project name of new proj2, we also get a kernel by the same name. So so new proj2 is the course ID here. You can use a different course ID too. Now every user has some shared hard drive with everyone else. So we'll use that hard drive to exchange assignments. And then there's a kernel with the same name as the project that will be used to grade everyone's assignment. So now we're going to save this, and now we are going to restart our Jupyter notebook, and then we can go to FormGrader and add a new assignment. So we'll name it test assignment. Now we will create this assignment. So to create this assignment, we will first create a notebook. So we'll call it test notebook as well. Let's call it the test notebook. In NBGrader, there are various types of cells that can be configured by using this create assignment cell toolbar. So the first one is read only, which we will also make it into a markdown. And so let's do some. Now we do autograder answer, which is what the students will have to write. And let's suppose we have def sum list st. Now we say this has to be filled in by the students. We do the solution, and we give it return some LST. This is a reference solution that will not be visible to the students, but this has no points if you notice. The one that does have points is auto-graded tests, where we are going to test if the student has written the correct answer. And also, this can have points, and this cannot be modified by the students. So we're going to put this, and we're going to this. So this has 5 points if this runs correctly. Also, we want to write another manually graded answer in which, well, we are going to just write the question description for now. So we are going to say students have to plot a normal function with mean 0 and standard deviation of 1, and use matplotlib and numpy. So this, and then we want to put 10 points for this question. So we will also do a begin solution, end solution block here, just to begin solution, end solution block here. and paste some code, which is a reference solution. So here, I'm going to paste this thing. And now we want to run this. We need matplotlib and and NumPy. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and run a terminal and install them. So panda install matplotlib NumPy. So it's installed, and we can test that everything is working by doing a kernel restart and run all. And so far matplotlib hasn't been installed. Once it installs, the code should run fine. So let's give it one more try. So nope, we have to wait. Okay, done. So this time it should work. Restart and run all cells. Yeah, so we see a plot here now. So now we are ready to release this assignment. So we'll go to form grader again. We'll generate a student version of the assignment, which does not have the reference solutions. If you see this one, this does not have any of the reference solutions. And now we go and release this assignment. So a little bit about sharing. So when we release, we have to make sure that the students can get a fully not just the files, but also everything that is needed to run the files like matplotlib and NumPy. So we have a way of configuring that. So we'll come to that in the next video, but this is how instructors can release assignments. Thank you. I hope you would give it a try and give us more feedback.